When opening the front panel, care must be used. It is on a hinge. The hinges are located on the bottom, on each corner here and here. And you have two screws, two Phillips screws. One on the top left and one on the top right. To help prevent that panel from crashing down and ripping the communication cable out of the SIB board, ensure you have your sanitizer bracket installed. The hinges that are on the bottom of these are just pins. The front panel will move off to the left and fall down if not careful. Let's remove these two Phillips screws so we gain access to our control compartment in our elements, SIB, and other components inside. Hold your panel, bring it down slowly, ensure your wires are not pulled, and make sure it rests on your sanitizer bracket as shown. Looking down from the top, there's your UI, your cable control, your on-off switch, speaker, and your USB adapter to the USB port on the front control panel. This is your communications cable. As you can see inside, I'll get a light in here shortly, that it connects to the SIB. There's not a lot of room here, so if that panel falls down, it will damage the SIB and or the UI along with the cable. As you notice here on the pins, this front panel will slide to the left and the right here. Okay, it allows you to remove that panel from the front of the unit. Okay, now that we have light inside the unit, I can take a look at what's going on. So we have your SIB and your communications cable to your UI, which is right here, it goes all the way in the back here. And it disconnects like so. And it's just like a internet cable or a phone cable. So that can get damaged, and the same with the plug-in port. That can be damaged as well if not careful. The board next to it, that's going to be the simulation of your SSRB board. This controls your solid state relays. You can gain access to the rear of the unit by removing two Phillips screws similar to the front panel. You got one on the top left, and I've already removed the one on the top right. So let's go ahead and remove the other one. And be careful when you remove it. I've already loosed. Hold the panel as you're lowering it down. Again, just like the front, we have the hinges on the side. If I were to take this panel, I can actually move it to the left or the right. As you can see, if I'm bringing the pin farther away. And that's how it's going to come out, to the left. Then you push it all the way into the right. You align your screw holes. So this gives you access to the rear of the unit. This is our power cord coming in. As you can see, our power cord is right here.
Garland, a well-built brand, thanks you for watching this short how-to video.